Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making koyla Keema. For this, we will be needing 1 medium onion cut into cubes, half cup of tomato puree, half kg of chicken keema, half teaspoon of zira, half teaspoon of onion powder, half of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili flakes, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, a quarter teaspoon of haldi or turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of lasan. And then we're going to be frying the onions in a quarter cup of oil. So that'd be approximately this much of a ladle. So I'm just gonna add the oil in, and I'm going to put the onions in, and I'm going to be putting it on the stove. So now that the onions have slightly browned, I'm going to go ahead and add the lasan adrak into it. I just added it, and I'm just going to give it a light stir. Now I'm just going to add the minced chicken into it. Now I'm going to add the rest of our spices. I forgot to tell you that I'm also adding 3 peppercorns, also known as kali mirch, and 2 cloves, also known as long. So I'm just going to add all these spices in now. So now that they're all added in, I'm just gonna give this a little stir so that all the spices are mixed in and all the minced chicken is well covered. And I'm just going to cover this with a lid until the minced chicken is cooked. So yeah. Now that the chicken has changed its color, I'm going to take the lid off. Always be careful when you're taking the lid off not to open it from the area where the steam is coming out, or you could burn your hand really hard. So the chicken is cooked. The easiest meat to cook is chicken, and because chicken has its own water, we're not adding additional water separately. So I just added our half cup of tomato puree into this. I'm just gonna mix this in properly. So when this is mixed in, I'm going to put the lid on. So now I'm just gonna put the lid on, and I'm going to let the tomato puree soak in properly. So I've let the chicken cook properly, and it looks like this now. It has taken the color of the red pepper, and I'm just going to, because it's koyla Keema, so I'm going to take this piece of bread and just keep it on top. I'm going to turn this fire off. Just pick this koyla up and keep it on top of the bread. We're just going to put a drop of oil on top. You'll see this smoke coming, so you just have to turn this lid on. So this will give the keema the koyla type thing. So because of this hole in the lid, all the steam, the smoke from the koyla is coming out. So that's our koyla karhai, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!